Have you guys ever seen a traffic direction pole where signs are like this: perplexed, bewildered, baffled, puzzled, lost, confused? We all come across such a situation in which we ask ourselves a fundamental question: what is the purpose of my life? Well, today's topic is that. My name is Shivam. A warm hello to all my fellows. Let's roll it. So this is a story of a seeker and a teller. A seeker is the business tycoon, industrialist, successful person. And the teller is a monk doing meditation at Kamartaj, Nepal. Let's see what they have to say. Seeker. Mr. Monk, I hope I'm not disturbing you. Well, last night I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep. It was a disaster. I want some answers to my questions. What is the purpose of my life? I'm successful, but I still feel something is lacking. Can you tell me? I don't have time, so be precise. Truth shall reveal itself to the one who seeks in entirety. Cut the bullshit. I say, I want it precise. I have a deal to make. Come on, can you make it quick, precise thing? Not your words that bounce off your head. Can you make it layman's? Okay, son. Well, let's first decode your question. Let's first understand what is life. The greatest aspect about life is that there is no meaning to life, and there is no need to attach meaning to life. It's pettiness of one's mind to seek meaning and purpose in life. If I give you a million years and you focus at life with utter passion, for a million years, even then you won't be able to understand life in its entirety. There was a bouncer. Can you make it a bit layman's? Life is intricate. Okay, I get it. But what about the purpose thing? Okay, purpose. Let's see. You are not your mind, your body, your emotions, your energy. You're a combination of all these things. Some matter beyond this thing. But if you believe you're just your mind, you're trapped in your psychological structure. And that psychological structure gives you goal and purpose. So isn't it right to have a goal, a purpose? Well, talk about the terrorist. They have a God-given purpose. Psychological structure is basically an accumulation of your memories from your society and anticipations based on those memories. So what about that purpose? Terrorist purpose, they have a God-given purpose. The thing is, you should be able to have that equanimity, to balance out all these things. I didn't get it. You're always bouncing. Can you make it more clear? What should I do? What is the need? Okay? Let me put it this way. See, this human has a potential. It always wants to grow like a plant in all dimensions and aspects of life. If you put some restriction in the name of purpose, you will fail to explore your other sides. And eventually, you will seek freedom and you explode. So, key is to be equanimous, to make in charge of all these things, your body, your energy, your mind, your body equally, so that you don't get trapped in one of them. Still, a little bit more elaboration. Okay, in your language, you must be a biology student. And let me say something about you. You have this thing, left hemisphere, and this is your right hemisphere. You all know this. Left hemisphere is for logical, rational thing, and your right hemisphere of your brain is for your artistic side, your emotions. If you make your right hemisphere your in charge, what you do is everything that is emotionally hijacked. You do one night stand, you do liquor, you do party, you do all those things without rationality, without logic. You do all kind of things. Just if you make this right hemisphere your in charge. Similarly, if you make left hemisphere your in charge, you become a workaholic. You will miss out your family. You will miss out to seek the pleasure, to explore your emotional side. The key is to be equanimous. That is to be equal, to have a balance and able to utilize both of your hemispheres in your sense. Thanks for listening.